Yo guys, what's up? It's me, Morgan, Hotshot Gamer here. And today we're going to be playing the higher or lower game. So let's get into it and let it just load up. Internet search. Oh, last day of term today. So sad. Just kidding, I feel nothing. I feel no sorrow. Refugee crisis versus Donald Trump. No. Play game. So yeah. So guys, here we are. Driving Zitza versus Shia. I think she has got higher. I think she is higher. Hold on a second, it didn't work. I was right. Ron Pickering versus Shia. Let's go away because I have no idea how this guy is. Click. Yes. FA Cup obviously higher. Come on guys, that's got to be higher. Of course it's higher. Or the Green Mile versus FA Cup. Well, the Green Mile is a good movie, so we'll go higher. So what? I was wrong, I got 3. The average score is 3.2. What can we say? Your average, oh yeah. Guess what guys? We can't settle for average. Wait, hold on, am I zoomed in? Yeah, I'm zoomed in. Play again. Hold on. Unfortunately guys, that is the end of the video. A lot of my recording has been deleted, randomly gone. But yeah, hope you like, peace out and enjoy.